Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to Volkswagen Online banking transfer check back. So let's start. I will try to use some tips that you can do it and steps, so follow them and surely you will do it. The first one is understand the situation. Once you send a SEPA transfer common with US, it's usually final and cannot be cancelled via online banking after it's processed. There is no undo button after submission, so only schedule, future date, or pending transfer can be cancelled directly online. So check if it's still pending. Log into Volksbank online banking and go to Underwrite Transfer, Light, Schedule Transfers. If the transfer is listened and still pending or in preparation, you may be able to cancel it yourself there. Number 3, if their transfer was already executed, if there is money was already sent, contact Volkswagen customer service immediately, call or visit your local branch, use secure messaging and the app or online banking, and provide the details of transaction, amount, date, IBAN or the recipient and reason you want to reserve it. Number 4, Volkswagen will attempt a recall. The bank can be request recipient bank to ask for permission to reverse the transaction. However, the recipient must be agreed to return the money. This process is no warranty. It may take several days or weeks. If there was a mistake fraud, it was a fraudulent transaction or serious error, wrong IBAN, do the following immediately. Report the case on Volksbank, file a police report, or inform the Federal Financial Supervisory Authority if it's necessary. So following these steps, surely you will do it. I hope this works for you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.